What's up guys, my name's Jem, welcome to Sprowt Plant Co's channel. Over on my Instagram account I often get a lot of people asking me how to repot their plant, and that's what I'm going to do today. There's two reasons why a plant will need repotting. The first and the most common reason is because naturally as the plant grows bigger the roots need more room to expand. The second reason is because over time soil loses its ability to retain moisture and nutrients, and the easiest solution is just to get rid of the old soil and replace it with a fresh batch of soil. First things first, I'm just going to take the plant out of the pot gently. I find the easiest way to do it is just squeezing the pot, because you don't want to pull the whole plant out because it can damage the roots. Then luckily this plant is actually quite easy to detach from the soil because it's quite crumbly, but you just want to gently massage the soil from the roots, trying not to break the roots obviously.
1 hour later.
What you're going to be left with is just the root ball, the root system of the actual plant. Now I've finished detaching the soil from the roots, I'm going to put it into its new pot. I've decided to use a slightly smaller pot because actually the root system isn't as big as I thought it was going to be. Over here I've got my specific aroid soil mix. So all I'm going to do is just fill up the new pot, maybe about 2 inches from the bottom. And then I'm going to place the plant on top, gently just sitting it down. I try and place it relatively central inside the pot, and then I'm just going to fill it up. I'm going to give it something to climb up. Obviously as a climbing Monstera it does need a support system, so I find moss poles are usually quite good for Monsteras. And then I'll just fill in the soil around that as well. Sometimes it's easier just to rotate the pot as you do it so you get a nice even spread. And I'm going to fill it roughly about 1 or 2 centimetres from the top, so to the rim of the pot. I'm just going to attach some German clips which usually come with moss poles. It's just an easy way to attach the plant. So I've just clipped it in between one of the aerial roots. And naturally the aerial roots will find their way into the moss pole, sort of heading down back into the soil. And it just gives it something to climb up and support itself. So that's it, officially repotted the Monstera. So once you finish repotting the plant, don't forget obviously just to give it a little bit of water, and that's it, you've finished repotting your plant. So thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.